Okay guys, Gunner here from Walk Outdoors, back with you another review. Today I'm reviewing the Dewalt Multi-Tool. It's a bright fluorescent yellow, so that if you drop it, you can see it, but right off the bat, I already don't like it. These are plastic. Unlike the one we did yesterday, the Browning Multi-Tool, which I have no idea where it's at. Here it is. This is metal. That is plastic. So, already don't like it. It's bigger in your hand than the Browning. Definitely bigger. Browning was really slim. This one here must have an internal spring, because I do not see a spring on the bottom. See, look, this is plastic too. But already I can tell this is it's a bit smaller, but way thicker. And tools are actually on the inside, so you gotta close this completely, and then you go whatever tool. That screwdriver, another screwdriver, some kind of hook, I'm not sure what that is, and a pair of scissors on this side. So only like three things, I don't know what that is, but yeah, scissors are very hard to close in with it. On this side, you got a little knife with saw blade on it. You have a can opener with a blade on it and a screwdriver. You have another can opener, and you have a file. And that is it on this side. It's just very awkward because it's got this weird metal thing in there, and this side doesn't. But oh, and this is a ruler and a file. So 1, 2, I'm gonna count this as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I'm gonna count this 11. So this one has 11 tools on it. This one here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tools on it. So comment down below which one you like better, the Dewalt or the Browning. Browning's got more stuff for like hunters. The Dewalt's got more stuff for like construction workers and carpenters and that stuff. Actually, this one here closes completely, unlike this one. There you go. Side by side. Comment down below which one you guys like better. Actually, this week I'm going to be posting double or triple videos this week. I just posted one today about a giveaway, so go check out that video. And then I'm posting this one, and then I'll be posting one about GoPros and that kind of stuff, because I've been getting stuff on Instagram about it. And then Friday there might be a video out, I'm not for sure, but if I do, it's going to be a secret video for our sponsor. So check back later. Catch you guys on the line next time.